let me show you how we can charge our Xiaomi 15T Pro. So in this case, we have a couple of different methods. For example, let's start with the wireless method. So if you have like a wireless charger or charging pad, usually you can just simply place your phone on top of the charger in order to start charging your phone. As you can see, we can easily start charging without having to use a cable. So if you have a wireless charger, whether it is at home or in your car, it should work just fine. You don't have to enable or disable anything. You can just simply place it on top of the charger, and that should be it. In case you cannot if you cannot make that connection, if it doesn't work, you might need to move it up or down a little bit in order to adjust the phone, because there might be cases where the connection is not working. As you can see now, I moved the phone up and there is no connection, so I need to move it slight down, slight lower over here in order to make it work. So of course this is one of the ways. And of course we also have the wired method. So if you have USB cable, and you should have, of course, we have it inside the box, then you can just connect your phone to anything that provides power through the USB. This can be, of course, ideally the charger or power adapter. This can be a computer, a power bank, or maybe your car once again. Once again, anything that provides power through the USB cable should work just fine. But of course, ideally, the power adapter will do the job the best, because usually they are the fastest. This, of course, has an impact how much watts you have in your charger, because the more you have, in theory, the faster the charging speed should be. And of course, in addition to that, we should be able to use the original chargers whenever it is possible. But if you are wondering how to actually make it work, we just have to connect our USB cable to the power adapter. We plug it into the power. There we go. And at the bottom we have the USB-C, of course, so we can plug it in. And there we go. So the wired charging speed is 90 watts if we have a power adapter with a power delivery 3.0 or quick charge 4. And in terms of the wireless chargers, we have 50 watts. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.